This 2020 Coachmen Prism 2200FS is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa, 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2020 Coachmen Prism 2200FS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.